Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So a while back I did a video with my new split cup. Now I didn't say ever that I was the first one to ever think of this, but this is my design that I came up with. It says little MMG here. Anyways, there was some production issues and unfortunately I don't have a way to produce more of these, but I do still have some in my Etsy store, the last few. So I would go ahead and get those if you're interested, because it's going to be a while before I have some more. So there's not a lot left, but anyways, I thought I would go ahead and do a fun video with it today. I'm using mostly the Arteza iridescent colors, and I'm going to do a cool colors versus warm colors in here. It's going to be a very bright painting. So I'm going to start on this side and fill it up. This is the Arteza Iridescent Playful Pink. We have the Royal Purple, also Arteza Iridescent. This is the 8-ounce cup, you guys. So this is Fairy Tale Blue. This one, oh, I don't have the label on it. It's Shocking Lime Green. It could probably go on either the cool or the warm side. And then here is Electric Plum Purple. Really pretty color. And then I also just have some Artist Loft Turquoise and Phthalo Green that I'm going to throw in here. All colors are mixed with floetrol and water. All materials will be down in the description, so please check that out. It should answer many, if not all, of your questions. All right, so we've got that side pretty filled up. Now let's go ahead and go with the other side. Here I'm using some gold, some of the Arteza Iridescent Fiery Red. Love that one. The Arteza Iridescent Dream Lemon Yellow. And then Glowing Peach. And then also, this is the Fancy Black, which is like basically a really dark bronze. And then I'm going to use some of my Artist Loft Red as well. Okay, I'm going to get some more, I think, gold, maybe a little more of the pink in here. Okay, so that's pretty full. Now you don't need a base for this, but because this is a 12 by 12 canvas, actually that's probably enough paint. Yep, that should be enough paint. Let's go for it. So you can see how it keeps the colors separated, and then they're going to go together as you pour out. You do not have to only do the tree ring with this. You could do a new number of things. You can do a traveling tree ring, you can do ribbons, you can do all kinds of things. You could even use 2 of the cups for a like quadruple kiss pour. So it's just a lot of fun. These cups aren't really intended for resin, but you totally could use them with resin. Just realize that you're not going to be able to really wash the resin out. So if you do use it for resin, then I would just go ahead and set the cup upside down and let as much of it run out as possible. And then it'll just get little layers of resin on it as you go, but not a big deal. And if you're using it for acrylic pouring, the easiest way is to just wash it right away. I generally don't do that, so I just let it dry there in the cup and then just go ahead and use it again. All right, there we go. Definitely had plenty of paint. I don't know why I was even worried. And underneath here, guys, I do have my Lowly Vefe silicone mat, which is a little bit messy right now, but I do use it. I love these mats, and I use silicone bowls as well. And then you can just let the paint dry and peel it right off. And you can use that for skins and all kinds of really fun things. All right. Oh, I'm so sorry. It was a little out of focus there. That's frustrating. Okay. So I'm going to let this sit for a little while. We'll come in and do our close-up and go from there. All right, we're back. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. So you can see the warm colors mostly over here on the right side. And then they start going into the cool colors over here with a little bit of overlap, of course. This is a super fun one, really bright. We got gorgeous lines. If you have difficulty doing tree rings, this cup can definitely help you. Like the little bit of green in the middle there. Very colorful. Okay guys, so do not forget to check down in the description for all of the materials and also a link to the cup. There are just a few left, so this is a urge to buy them as quickly as possible because they will be gone by the end of today, pretty much guaranteed. And I will see you all next time.